Manifestation is a concept that has captivated the minds of dreamers, philosophers, and spiritual seekers alike. The idea of bringing our deepest desires into reality feels both enchanting and empowering. Yet, have you ever paused to ask yourself why the path to manifestation isn't always a direct run? Why do our intentions sometimes seem to meet resistance, obstacles, or delays? The universe, it seems, has a remarkable way of guiding us through a series of intermediate steps. These steps are not designed to stop us, but to sculpt our readiness for the grand stage of manifestation itself. Think of these steps as cosmic assessments, opportunities to demonstrate our genuine commitment and alignment with the energies we wish to attract. In its infinite wisdom, the universe is testing our resolve. Each trial is like a whisper asking, "Are you truly ready for the treasures you seek?" These challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones, shaping us into the person who can responsibly and authentically handle the fulfillment of our desires. Imagine setting a goal to welcome positivity, wealth, and inspiring connections into your life. Yet, instead of an immediate wave of abundance, you're met with a series of challenges. Your financial situation might worsen, or opportunities may seem to slip away. This disconcerting experience can leave even the most optimistic person questioning the course of events. However, it is during these phases that the true nature of manifestation reveals itself. The universe operates in mysterious ways, often presenting us with what feels like the opposite of our desires. These trials are not punishments, but tests of authenticity. The universe is essentially asking, do your desires originate from the core of your being? Are you prepared to embody the version of yourself that aligns with the reality you seek? Take, for example, the desire for immense wealth. While it's a common aspiration, the journey to achieve it often requires a profound transformation. The universe, in its wisdom, pushes us to become the type of person who can handle wealth with responsibility and grace. These tests are a mirror reflecting our current state, challenging us to grow and evolve. When faced with trials, it's easy to feel disheartened. But remember, these moments are not signs of failure. They are indicators of transformation. The universe is inviting us to become a new version of ourselves, one that aligns with the energy of our desires. The old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve us must dissolve to make room for growth. Here lies a profound truth. Manifestation is not about the universe fulfilling our specific requests, but about reflecting our inner state. The universe is not a wish-fulfilling entity, but a mirror that projects the essence of who we are. This means that our reality aligns with our inner frequency, not merely our spoken desires. To create change externally, we must first transform internally. If our inner self remains unchanged, our outer circumstances will reflect the same patterns. This principle is the cornerstone of manifestation. It invites us to examine our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, ensuring they align with the reality we wish to create. As we embark on this transformative journey, resistance often arises. It's as if our old self, the habits, beliefs, and patterns we've carried for years, rebels against the change. Imagine your old self as a tenant, unwilling to leave its familiar home, challenging the arrival of your new self. This resistance, while uncomfortable, is a positive sign. It signifies that the old is on the verge of dissolving. Yet, Many people mistake this resistance as a sign to stop. They recoil, fearing the unknown, and revert to their old ways. But those who understand the importance of this upheaval embrace it, knowing it is a precursor to transformation. To overcome these trials, we must embody the attributes of our future selves. When faced with challenges, resist the urge to dwell on scarcity or negativity. Instead, ask yourself, how would the version of me who has already achieved this dream respond? By stepping into the mindset of your realized self, you gain clarity and strength. This exercise is akin to consulting a wise mentor within yourself. It helps you navigate obstacles with grace and aligns your actions with your aspirations. Manifestation is not an overnight process. It is a journey of consistent growth. Every small step forward is a triumph. Did you handle a situation with newfound grace? Did you overcome a challenge today? Celebrate these victories, no matter how small they may seem. By recognizing and appreciating your progress, you send a powerful message to your subconscious. You reinforce the belief that you are moving closer to your goals. This positive reinforcement creates a ripple effect, aligning your energy with the frequency of your desires. When challenges arise, you reach an energy crossroads. You have a choice: to nurture positivity or succumb to negativity. Negativity echoes thoughts of failure and scarcity, while positivity fosters growth and abundance. By choosing positivity, you realign your energy and cultivate fertile ground for manifestation. The universe, ever vigilant, recognizes your dedication. It harmonizes with your intentions, aligning circumstances to support your journey. This is where the art of manifesting truly flourishes. Gratitude is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. By expressing gratitude for what you have and for the progress you've made, you amplify your vibrational frequency. Gratitude signals to the universe that you are ready to receive more blessings. It shifts your focus from lack to abundance, creating a positive feedback loop that accelerates your journey. Manifestation is not about perfection or instant transformation. It is about embracing the journey and respecting each step of your unique path. By honoring your progress and staying committed, you build a bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Remember, every trial is a stepping stone, every challenge an opportunity for growth. The universe is not an adversary, but a guide, gently sculpting you into the person capable of embracing your dreams. With each step, you draw closer to your aspirations, aligning your energy with the treasures you seek. In the end, you are the architect of your own journey. The universe recognizes your efforts and responds in kind. By embodying your future self, embracing challenges, and celebrating progress, you unlock the mysteries of manifestation. The treasures you seek are not merely rewards, but reflections of the person you have become.